Good morning, children. Hope you're thorough with division now. The division of polynomials is used to find the zeros of a cubic polynomial. It is a continuation of the topic you have done in the lesson polynomials factorization content in class 9. There the question was factorize x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. You are given the question as x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2, where you are asked to factorize. There the method was by giving the values of x as 0, 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2, etc. By a trial and error method, you used to get one of the zeros. Let's try for x equal to 0. The value will be plus 2. No. The value of 1, it is 1 cubed minus 2 into 1 square minus 1 plus 2. 1 minus 2 minus 1 plus 2. It is minus 2 and plus 2 getting cancelled. Still 1 and minus 1 also is getting cancelled. Thus, with the value of x equal to 1, the polynomial x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2 became a 0 polynomial. X equal to 1 is making this polynomial a 0 polynomial. Thus, x minus 1 is a factor. By long division, x cube by x, x square, x cube minus x square minus 2x square plus 1x square is minus x square minus x plus 2 minus x square by x is giving you minus x. First term remains the same. Minus 1 into minus x is plus x. Change the sign, change the sign. Minus 2x plus 2 is giving you minus 2x by x is minus 2. Minus 2x minus 1 into minus 2 is plus 2. The remainder is 0. By factorization, x square minus x minus 2, the product is minus 2. Sum is equal to minus 1. The factors are minus 2 and plus 1. Factorization, x square minus 2x plus 1x minus 2. X into x minus 2 plus 1 into x minus 2. X plus 1 into x minus 2. Thus, the factorization was x minus 1 is the first factor. X plus 1 is the second factor. X minus 2 is the third factor. The question was factorization and thus you were finding the factors. The same question if it is asked for finding the zeros are x minus 1 equal to 0 gives you x equal to 1. X plus 1 equal to 0 is giving you x equal to minus 1. X minus 2 equal to 0 is giving you x equal to 2. But in today's class, I will be explaining the worked out examples from your textbook to find the zeros of a polynomial with a degree 4. The first example is find all the zeros of 2x raised to 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2 if two of its zeros are square root 2 and square root minus 2. According to the degree of this polynomial, it can have a maximum of 4 zeros, out of which the 2 zeros is given as square root 2 and minus square root 2. There are two different methods of finding the polynomial which has to be found out for the division process. But the easiest method, which is for everybody, is when the zeros are given to you, you can call them as alpha is 2 and beta as minus 2. When the zeros are given to you, you can find out the sum of the zeros as alpha plus beta, the product of the zeros as alpha into beta. You can form the quadratic polynomial as k into x square minus x into sum plus product, which was the previous exercise topic. Let us proceed with that method. Alpha is equal to square root 2 and beta is equal to minus square root 2. Sum is equal to alpha plus beta is the same as square root 2 plus minus square root 2, which is the same as 0. Product is equal to alpha into beta is the same as square root 2 into minus square root 2, which is the same as minus 2. Thus, the quadratic polynomial, the formula is k into x square minus x into sum plus product, which is giving you k into x square minus x into 0 plus the product is minus 2. 0 into any number is 0 and the value of k is 1. Thus the remaining quadratic polynomial is x square minus 2. The same x square minus 2 can also be obtained as the method as I am telling you. The zeros are square root 2 and minus square root 2. Therefore, factors are x minus square root 2 and x plus square root 2. But the method we adopted here will be easy for you as you have already worked out the previous exercise, the types of the questions based on the zeros given and getting the quadratic polynomial. The given polynomial is exactly divisible by x square minus 2, which proves that the remainder of the division should be 0, or else the calculation you may have to check once again. 2x raised to 4 by x square is 2x square. 2x raised to 4 minus 2 into 2x square is minus 4x square. Arrange under the like term. Change the sign. Minus 3x cube plus x square plus 6x minus 2. Minus 3x cube by x square is minus 3x. Minus 3x cube. Minus 2 into minus 3x is plus 6x. Thus the factors started getting cancelling. And x square minus 2, x square divided by x square is plus 1. X square plus 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. Or the factors got cancelled. The remainder is 0. Since the quadratic polynomial is a factor, it is very clear that the division remainder have to be 0. Now, this is a polynomial with degree 2, 2x square minus 3x plus 1. Already we have two zeros, square root 2 and minus square root 2. Using this quadratic polynomial, we will be getting the remaining two zeros. Product is equal to positive 2. Sum is equal to minus 3. The factors of 2, 1 and 2. Based on the sign, it is minus 1 minus 2. 2x square minus 1x minus 2x plus 1. X into 2x minus 1 minus 1 into 2x minus 1. X minus 1 into 2x minus 1. X minus 1 equal to 0 shows that x equal to 1. 2x minus 1 equal to 0 shows that x is equal to positive half. Thus, the four zeros are, therefore finally, the zeros are positive square root 2, negative square root 2, 1 and 1 by 2. 1 and 1 by 2. You can see here, since it is a polynomial of degree 4, it can have a maximum of 4 zeros, and the zeros are root 2 minus root 2, which is given in the question, 1.5, which you have found out by long division method. Another example, find all the zeros of 2x raised to 4 minus 2x cubed minus 7x square plus 3x plus 6 when two of its zeros are minus square root of 3 by 2 and plus square root of 3 by 2. Children, these are the questions which is not from the textbook. After my class, you can just copy in your notebook so that it will be helpful to you, as this is a 4-mark question which can be asked as section D question for the board exam. Call the two zeros as alpha is equal to minus root 3 by 2 and beta is equal to positive square root of 3 by 2. Sum of the zeros alpha plus beta is minus square root 3 by 2 plus square root 3 by 2. It's becoming 0, and the product alpha into beta is the same as minus square root 3 by 2 into positive square root 3 by 2 is the same as minus 3 by 2. Thus, the quadratic polynomial can be written as k into x square minus x into sum of zeros is 0 plus product of zeros is minus 3 by 2. Assume the value of k as 2 into x square. 0 into x is 0 minus 3 by 2. 2 into x square is 2x square minus 2 into 3 by 2 is giving you minus 3. Thus, the polynomial 2x square minus 3 will divide 2x raised to 4 minus 2x cubed minus 7x square plus 3x plus 6 exactly, which shows that on division of this polynomial by this polynomial, the remainder has to be 0. 2x raised to 4 minus 2x cubed minus 7x square plus 3x plus 6 with the polynomial or with the factor of 2x square minus 3. 2x raised to 4 by 2x square is giving you x square. 2x raised to 4 minus 3 into x square is minus 3x square. Minus 2x cubed minus 4x square plus 3x plus 6. Minus 2x cubed by 2x square is giving you minus x. Minus 2x cubed minus 3 into minus x is plus 3x. Cancellation starts. Minus 4x square plus 6 minus 4x square by 2x square is minus 2 minus 4x square minus 2 into minus 3 is plus 6. The remainder became 0. Now you got the polynomial x square minus x minus 2, which is going to give you the remaining two zeros by splitting of middle term. Product is equal to minus 2. Sum is equal to minus 1. The factors are minus 2 and plus 1. Thus, x square minus 2x plus 1x minus 2. X into x minus 2 plus 1 into x minus 2. X minus 2 into x plus 1. The value of x is 2 and the value of x is minus 1. Thus, the final answer is the four zeros are positive square root 3 by 2, negative square root 3 by 2, the value you found out as x is 2 and minus 1 by presenting the answer. You will get 4 marks for this question. It's a very important question which can be studied thoroughly. By this pattern, given the zeros in the form of 2 plus or minus root 3, the all types of questions in this particular topic is covered. Listen to this workout too. Find all the zeros of x raised to 4 minus 6x cube minus 26x square plus 138x minus 35 if two of its zeros are 2 plus or minus root 3. The given polynomial is x raised to 4 minus 6x cube minus 26x square plus 138x minus 35. The zeros are, write alpha as 2 plus root 3 and beta as 2 minus root 3. That is the meaning of 2 plus or minus root 3. Sum is equal to alpha plus beta, 2 plus root 3 plus 2 minus root 3, and the sum value is positive 4. Product is equal to alpha into beta, 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3 based on the identity a plus b into a minus b. It is a square minus b square, which is giving the value 4 minus 3 as 1. Thus, the quadratic polynomial is equal to k into x square minus x into sum of zeros is 4 plus product of zeros is 1. The value of k is 1, or the polynomial is x square minus 4x plus 1. The remaining procedure remains the same as we were doing. The polynomial x raised to 4 minus 6x cube minus 26x square plus 138x minus 35 x square minus 4x plus 1. X raised to 4 by x square is giving you x square, x raised to 4 minus 4x into x square is minus 4x cube plus 1 into x square is plus 1x square. Change the sign, change the sign, change the sign. Minus 6x cube plus 4x cube is giving you minus 2x cube. Minus 26x square minus 1x square is minus 27x square. The remaining terms of plus 138x minus 35. Minus 2x cube divided by x square is giving you minus 2x. First term remains the same. Minus 4x into minus 2x is plus 8x square. Plus 1 into minus 2x is minus 2x. Sign changes. First term gets cancelled. Minus 27 minus 8 is minus 35x square. Plus 138 plus 2 is plus 140x minus 35. Minus 35x square by x square is giving you minus 35. First term remains the same. Minus 35 into minus 4 is plus 140x. Minus 35 into plus 1 is minus 35. You can see all the terms got cancelled and the remainder became 0. The remainder becoming 0 is a compulsory concept when during this long division, as you have accepted the quadratic polynomial as a factor of the given polynomial. By splitting of middle term, x square minus 2x minus 35, product as minus 35, sum as minus 2. The factors are minus 7 and plus 5, x square minus 7x plus 5x minus 35. x into x minus 7 plus 5 into x minus 7, x plus 5 into x minus 7, x equal to minus 5 and x equal to positive 7. Thus, the zeros are the 4 zeros. What you have found out is 2 plus root 3, 2 minus root 3, and the values you found out as minus 5 and plus 7. Thus, the students who are not thorough with splitting of middle term, kindly revise that lesson once again. Splitting of middle term will be useful in this type of division problems.